What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Brother L8250CDN printer or download or install driver. So first of all open browser and then search here printer. Now click on officially website. Here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your printer driver. Now here you can see my printer driver will be installed. Now go back and open settings. Click on printer scanner and now click on add device. Now click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.